Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about smoking and drinking during pregnancy. Here is what happens to your body. Any level of smoking or drinking alcohol during pregnancy is harmful to the body. Smoking and drinking affects the brain development of newborn baby. During pregnancy, alcohol reaches the fetus through the umbilical cord. The liver is responsible for processing alcohol and is one of the last organs to develop in a growing baby. It does not mature until the later stages of pregnancy. Therefore, unborn babies cannot process alcohol that enters via the mother bloodstream. Once alcohol reaches the baby's developing body, it affects every organ and body system. Babies exposed to alcohol in the womb can suffer from brain and heart damage. Drinking alcohol during pregnancy can also cause other birth defects in your body, such as defects or problem in hearing and vision. Alcohol increases your body risk of developing fetal alcohol spectrum disorder, that is FASDs. FASDs include a wide range of physical behavior and learning disorders. Babies born to mothers who both drank and smoked during pregnancy are 12 times more likely to die from sudden infant death syndrome, that is SIDS, or cot death, you can say. SIDS is the sudden and unexplained death of child under the age of 1. One cigarette contains 4,000 chemicals. Nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide in cigarette smoke are carried by mother's bloodstream to the baby. These harmful substances contract the blood vessels in the placenta. They disrupt the supply of oxygen to the unborn child. This lowers the amount of oxygen available to both mother and the growing baby, which increases the risk of miscarriage or premature birth. Premature baby may have serious health problems at the birth and later in life. Nicotine in cigarette smoke can also cause an ectopic pregnancy. These happen when a fertilized egg is attached somewhere outside of the uterus, usually in the fallopian tube or rarely in the abdomen or cervix. In such situation, the pregnancy must be terminated to avoid complications. These areas do not have enough space or nurturing tissue for a pregnancy to develop. As the fetus grows, it will damage the organ and cause severe bleeding, endangering the mother's life. Smokers are twice as likely to give birth prematurely as their non-smoking counterparts. Pregnant women who smoke just 5 cigarettes a day give birth to babies with weight lower than 2.26 kg. Babies born to a mother who smokes are also more vulnerable to infections, and there is no safe level of smoking or drinking during pregnancy. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give this video a like. Make sure you comment below suggestion for videos you like to see in the future. #ScienceGirl.